How to remove inconsistencies data in MD04. Before we come to know how to resolve this issue, first we'll understand what might be the reason why the inconsistency data displayed in MD04. Basically, to get the data into MD04, it depends on two database tables: VBBS, which has information about the sales requirement of total records. There is one more table, VBBE, which holding the records of the individual requirements. So this MD04 will retrieve the data from these two database tables only. Okay, now let's understand what is the reason why we see inconsistencies data in MD04. A few of the reason might be a sales order has already been delivered or cancelled. However, the sales order special stock is still being displayed in the stock requirement list. In some cases, on the make to order scenarios, the sales order is already completed, but the sales order stock is still displayed in MD04. And in other cases, there might be some custom change has been carried out in the user exits of MV45 AFZZ include MV45 AFZB, MV50 AFZ1. Sometimes in sales order item has been rejected, but still we see that item in MD04. Moreover, so whenever the delivery, whenever the post course issue has been completed, then it's not required to transfer the requirement on the delivery. It's already completed, right? So it's not required at all. But still, those deliveries also appears in MD04. So as per standard behavior, this MD04 works based on these two database tables, VBBS and VBBE. VBBS contains the sales requirement of total records. VBBE contains the sales requirement of individual records. Therefore, we are going to run one standard report, which will help to generate or remove inconsistency data in MD04. So basically, this report will try to add or delete an entry to these two database tables based on certain standard database conditions. And if we see here, this is the initial screen of the report SDRQCR21. So here we need to enter the material, plant, creation date, document number. And if we execute here, it will try to regenerate or delete the unnecessary data in MD04. Or else it can be scheduled plant wise after production hours, which will try to do that in background.